Hey guys, tired tonight guys. It's about 10 10 something p.m. and I did my nail polish guys. This one got I accidentally bump it, so I just have, instead of polka dots, I just have plain and sparkle. And so because tomorrow guys is gonna be the flea market guys, and I get nervous, and like my emotion, I gonna have different emotions. I got the bracelet over there, and I save up some of my favorite bracelet, and I need to go through in it. And I finished last night. I finished those a lot of you know a lot of earrings, so I finished it last night. So this is a bracelet time, and I have some bracelet. That is a costume jewelry, and I have some that I put separate because I'm gonna wear it this summer. And this is another box. But I need to go to bed soon guys, because I need to wake up at 7 a.m. and then tomorrow guys is it's timing guys. It's kind of like this is the good thing we have canopy, because gonna have a scattered shower, rain, and also it's below 60 degrees, so it's gonna be cold I think. And I did my nail polish, and so I put a petroleum jelly in my hands. But anyway, dried up, because before it's kind of all like like it's all broken. The other nail polish are all faded out, so I just did not wear gloves, and my hands are dried up. And the basement guys are a little bit wider now guys, and all the porcelain items not quite finished, but I need to bring some jewelry over there, costume jewelry, but busy downstairs. And so there's a room yet for the band, in the band, like a boxes of jewelry, but I just wanna go through in it, because but anyway. And I found a lot of a lot so I found a lot of antique or vintage stuff, and I have a lot of like jewelry boxes for sale and other stuff. And guys, the basement guys, all the 6 tables are gone. It's in the van ready, because it's 7 a.m. so I want to wake up like 5 something a.m. so that I already showered today. I just need to wash up in the morning, just freshen up. I don't need to, then it's gonna be my, I don't know, below like like 60 degree or 50 something degree, so I need to wear my winter jacket and stuff. Anyway, so I wrapped this long time ago, so now it's supposed to be, I didn't know that we're going play market, and we just learned from that woman. And it takes only like like, since is the what day is that, it's only 3 days, and we need to hurry up to put in the van guys. It's not easy, because a lot of dust, like wiping the tub, because that's from from the storage back then. And I did not know, because if I know, I just go through it. But now I still go through this every day, guys, the jewelry parts, um the play market after tomorrow. Next Saturday is not, it's like only twice a month. So this summer twice a month, so you can only sell there twice a month. So so I want to have a trip sale here by the yard. But anyway, I hope it's gonna nighttime, guys. See you later. At least I have clean nail polish. I feel better when a little bit. That will gone anyway, guys. I always wash my hands, so that's gonna become off the side mark. So see you later.